Hello everyone, this is Adam with Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Profitec Go. It came into the shop because water wasn't flowing into the group head. It turned out that the inline filter was clogged, and a lot of times it's clogged with like algae, things like that, which is fairly common. Here we can see, yeah, what the old filter looked like. You can see there's kind of this dark substance in there that was blocking water flow. So we replaced that inline filter, cleaned the tube, and um, and then also the cleaning timer on here was on. So we also did a tune-up of the machine, includes some light descaling and a back flush of the machine. And yeah, so I'm just gonna do a shot just to show. This is our test coffee, so we don't have it calibrated or anything, but this is just to show that it functions as you'd expect. Good. And there we have it. Got some nice crema too. This is a dark glass, so you can't really see. But yeah, it's a fairly good shot. And then I'm also going to demonstrate the steam. I'm just going to turn this on and then come back to you when it's the right temperature. Oh, I think that might actually be ready. Let me give it another second. Okay, we're back and it's at steam temperature. And we have steam. Okay, and we could turn that off. Alright, that's about it. Thank you for watching.